Let's take a look at one more for loop example. This time we're going to do decrementing. So we've done quite a bit of incrementing. This example is great at showing you that you're not always going to increment, right? Sometimes you're going to start counting down. And notice we changed the name of our counter variable to count. Remember, you don't have to name it I. I is just kind of a standard. I wouldn't call it so much a convention because really it's up to you, right? What you name your counter variable. But yeah, you could say by convention. A lot of programmers just go with I. So let's see. Int count is equal to 10. That's our starting point for our loop. This is our ending point. And then this is our update. So that means our starting point on iteration 1, we're going to have a counter value of 10. And this is going to execute at least one time, right? Because 10, of course, is greater than or equal to 1. And then we're going to update. Instead of going up this time, we've now gone down. So this is our second iteration. The counter value has gone down to 9. Still, our condition is true. And we're going to get quite a streak, right, of trues, even when we get to 10. So we're going to start counting down from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's examine this one. So we're on our 10th iteration. Our count has updated quite a few times, and now count is 1. And we ask ourselves the question, is 1 greater than or equal to 1? Well, it is, right? So this 10th iteration will execute. So count now is going to be updated. So we'll do our print message first, right? And then the count is updated from 1 down to 0. And now we ask ourselves the question on this 11th iteration. Is 0 indeed greater than or equal to 1? Well, that's definitely false. 0 is not greater than or equal to 1. So this 11th iteration actually never kicks off, never executes. So yeah, this is going to run exactly 10 times. Now, as far as our messages go, because they're printing out the value of count, it's going to start at 10 and eventually print out 1, right, for iteration number. Let's take a look at that sample output. So yeah, I have a little error here. This should say 10 times. A little bit of too much copy paste, just like a programmer. So yeah, that should be fixed in the slides now. So here's the console output of the looping statement example. So it starts at 10, goes down all the way to 1. Iteration 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So yeah, that's the for loop right there. Definitely enough examples, right, to wrap your head around it, hopefully. But again, the best way to get really comfortable with them is open up IntelliJ, write some for loops, mess around with them, and see how that affects the behavior of the loop. Does it do what you expected? Are you able to guess right what happens? Are you kind of off? Well, then continue to practice right until you nail it.